Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will presenting a review on diversity and distribution of mangrove Avicennia spp. The researcher is me, Suhaili binti Cik Malek, S50879. My supervisor is Associate Prof. Madya Dr. Abu Hena Mustafa Kamal from Faculty of Fisheries and Food Science, UMT. For the introduction, mangroves are considered to be one of the most advanced ecological assemblages of halophytic plants that function as a land-to-ocean transition zone. They consist of taxonomically diverse shrubs and trees spread over tropical and subtropical ecosystems with unique habitats such as beaches, estuaries, tidal creeks, backwaters, lagoons, marshes, mudflats, and even upstream areas where saltwater persists. In harsh coastal environments, mangroves are salt-tolerant trees, halophytes, and are adapted to life. To survive with saltwater immersion and wave action, they have a complicated salt filtration mechanism and complex root system. They are suited to waterlogged mud environments that are low in oxygen. In the tropical and subtropical regions of the world, mangroves are available in more than 118 countries and territories. Asia has the world's largest mangrove population, 42%, led by Africa 21%, North America 15%, Oceania 12% and South America 11%. The distribution of mangrove plant is influenced by different variables. For the problem statement, diversity and distribution of mangrove Avicennia spp studies based on their climatic conditions such as tropical, subtropical or arid areas are lacking. For the objective, to review the diversity and distribution of mangrove Avicennia spp. For the methodology, I highlight 3 points, which is search strategy, study selection, and data organization and reporting. For the search strategy, search articles from databases such as Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Worldwide, ScienceDirect, and NCBI. Use keywords such as diversity, distribution, Avicennia spp, mangrove, and zonation. All the data was saved at Mendeley desktop and file desktop. For the study selection, filters out all duplicate articles of journal and then accompanied by handwriting to check that no duplicate articles were present. By screening the title, abstract, and taking the full article from the database search, the article was selected. Reports were rejected depends on the inclusion and exclusion criteria. The paper written in English and Malay was approved only. For data organization and reporting, information was then organized by organized data, especially according to the Avicennia species or genus, tropical, subtropical, arid or others, habitats, and author's name and year. For other information recorded in this analysis study, Prisma guidelines were used. Table 1 is diversity and distribution of mangrove Avicennia spp in different parts of the world. For the figure 1, zonation pattern of mangrove Avicennia spp in tropical region. Figure 2, zonation pattern of mangrove Avicennia spp in subtropical region. And last figure is zonation pattern of mangrove Avicennia spp in arid region. Avicennia spp is mainly exists in tropical and subtropical region. The diversity and distribution of Avicennia spp, including genus Avicennia bicolor, Avicennia geminans, Avicennia marina, Avicennia shauriniana, and Avicennia tonduzi, is highest in America, including North America and South America, followed out by Australia. Some higher latitude populations, especially Avicennia marina, are also genetically distinct from populations in tropical parts of the range. For the conclusion, studies found that in mangrove swamps and subpans along tidal creeks, sheltered bays and coastline and within coral reef ramparts and atoll lagoons, Avicennia is commonly found. Avicennia spp are considered to be pioneer mangrove species in any newly accreted coastal area. This species can tolerate wide range of temperature, hence this species is more dominant in all types of climatic conditions of the world, which is in the form of highest diversity in tropical, subtropical, temperate and arid region. This mangrove could be an indicator species for climate change research in future. This is my reference. That's all from me. Thank you.